BitTorrent holders, be alert because I have two good news for all of you. I predicate this coin, I share my opinion, and absolutely my friend, after this video you understand to really this coin will give you a profit and this coin is good for investment or not, my brother. So let's see, my brother. First of all, I have one good news, my brother. The first good news is that I have two good news. The first good news is that, my brothers, true, in the last 24 hours this coin is starting moving upward, and you can see the chain occur as completely in the positive, and I am so happy because I am also holder of BTT. So BTT, one of the trending coin, viral coin in this time in the crypto market. So if you want to invest, then definitely this coin is going to be very good now, my brother. So my friend, if you check out the chart, is that then absolutely we understand, but kindly before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. So thank you so much, my brother. As you can see, my friend, this time this chain occur will be positive, my brother, and I'm 100% sure to upcoming time there is more chances that this coin is moving upward. So I tell you, I just share my experience, I just share my opinion, my brothers, to don't sell it, hold it. And if you hold it, then definitely this coin will give you a very huge profit at the end of month. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, remember to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon. I hope, my friend, this coin will make you a millionaire, so you need to hold and invest more and more, my brother. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please like this video, remember to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.